I'm getting a bird.
What is that?
It's a pet. That is your bird pet.
No.
Yeah.
No.
World's perfect pet, it says. Perfect Polly.
Maybe there's a bird in the box, Sarah. Be careful. Let me see the box. Let me see the bird. Sarah, is there a bird in the box?
No.
Daddy, don't shake it. What the bird's in there?
Let me see.
Nuh-uh.
Is there a bird in there?
Yes. It's gonna fly out.
Scared.
Madison, do not eat the bird.
I got one.
What'd you get, Roy?
The thing I wanted.
Oh, Sarah, give it to Daddy. It's probably got tape on it. Sarah, if there's a bird in there, you're being real rough.
There isn't. Not a bird.
Ah, is that the bird on the floor?
Yeah, I got the bird poo.
Let me see the... You're being a little rough with that bird.
Daddy, look at
Flavor.
this. Jalapeno hot salsa.
Nice. Those are probably good.
Jumbo
Polly
sunflower
Ross
seeds ranch.
Doesn't work. Turn it back.
Roasted
Those are
and
good.
salted ranch.
Oh, she's got a bird.